All right, you love pickles, you are going to love pickle gummies. Whether you have finished your jar of pickles or not, you have got that juice so you can make some pickle gummies. First thing you want to do is get 2 cups of pickle juice and bring it to an almost boil. Then you're going to take 7 tablespoons of beef gelatin and put it into your blender with the pickle juice. Blend it up. Once the gelatin has been absorbed by the pickle juice, you'll pour them into your silicone molds. Now, I added some chopped pickles into some of these to give them a little extra crunch. Yes, they are gummy with a little extra crunch. So, so good. So here are some of our pickle gummies. The big stars, I left just the pickle juice, and then the Lego men and the little flowers have little bits of cut up pickle in them. I think next time I'm going to add a little bit more of the cut up pickles because it was actually really, really good. Let me know down in the comments if you guys try this recipe. Let me know what you think about it. I thought it was delicious. I use dill pickle juice, but I guess you could try using bread and butter pickle juice, sweet pickle juice, or even, spicy pickle juice. That would be so yummy. All right, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Enjoy!